I'm gonna buzz through the neighborhood. This is my street, or my house, so see, we put this Texas stone, and there's our regular stone up there, so we're going to see if we can get the guy to build this little wall down there and put that stone in it on the circle driveway. I think that's a good idea. Let me close this. So this is my street, and it goes to a cul-de-sac this way. Believe it or not, this house was started way after ours, and it's a lot farther along than we are. Way after ours. I guess the squeaky wheels get the most work done. We never complain because I don't want him to dislike us and put us on hold. And he's a really nice man, so once you talk to him, he's just a really good guy. Say they got a couple of them being built right here and down there, so they're gonna. Ooh, that Spyder's cool. I really like this neighborhood. This is what really attracted us to this area. Plus, everybody's got like a nice shop. He's got a nice shop. It's windy. I think that's a new one. He just built that one, or one of them around here he just built. Yeah, these are all sold. I don't know why they haven't started on any of them yet. They're all sold. Ah, this is the one they just built right here. See, mine could be a lot bigger if I didn't have that apartment on the back of it. But, oh well. Going back towards my house again, then I go to that cul-de-sac, cross over, and there's a cul-de-sac that way, and then they exit out that way. These people right here in this big house right there, they're the ones that go walk down there and take pictures for us all the time. It's Amy and David. They're always taking pictures. They walk over there and take pictures for us, and just did it yesterday. That's how we knew I had concrete. And there's my house right there. 2170. See, I think these people are all moved in already. I don't know if they started them before or after mine, but these people are already moved in. Both of them. They're all moved in. I met those people right there, talked to them, and these people, when we first started looking, we talked to this couple right here. Right here, we talked to these couple. And that's a lot right there, believe it or not. It's like almost 5 acres, but it's just really narrow, and then it goes really wide. It's like 5 acres back there. I looked at that one, but it was pretty costly in the front yard. It would be really tiny. These have huge yards all going all the way back. I mean, huge. Some of them have 3 acres. Okay, there's my place up there with the dirt. Let's go this way. This is just one cross street that connects the 2 streets. It's really just 3 streets in this entire neighborhood. And there's no houses on this street. It's just a cross street. And there's a creek that goes back behind my house. We looked at this place here because it had an apartment or a separate house. Right here, a separate guest house. But I didn't like the yard. There were absolutely no trees. None. No trees. Okay, there's the entrance. I'm going to go this way to a cul-de-sac. This is one of the developers or owners of this entire Texas Diamond Custom Homes. My wife liked this house with the pillars, but she didn't want wood pillars or whatever pillars those are. This is a pretty house right here. I like this one. It's set back there ways, curves, big shops. Look at those big shops. I like them. Some of them have small shops, small garages. Okay, let's go out. This is going back the other way, and I can go exit out right up here. So there's only this street, cross street, and then one street, 2 cul-de-sacs the other way. I'll show you the house that we really liked, but not so much the double brick around the windows. And that's the stone, or that's the brick we chose. It's up here. I really like the way this one looked. This one here. If you look at that, the stone's different, because I wanted my stone stacked like brick, but it's the same brick. And I didn't want double things around the thing, so my house is like same brick, and I really liked it. Okay, I'm gonna ride around a little while because it's too early to go home. I'm not going through Waco. I came up through Waco this way and I breezed through, but it was backed up for 10 miles going into Waco from Dallas to Austin. It was like 10 miles of stopped traffic. So I am not going home that way. I'll take a little bit longer route, but I'll get there faster. And I won't be stopped on the parking lot of the freeway for 10 miles. The construction is just horrible. It used to be Temple, then they got that done, now it's Waco. Okay, I'm gonna go this way, and there's an underpass. I'll stop and get some gas, and I'll go up towards Caddo Mills. I need to find somebody that lives in Caddo Mills told me to find the creamery. There's a creamery slash coffee shop. Oh, there's the lawnmower place. I wonder if they got some. I'm gonna go in there. Haha. I'm looking at these bad boy lawnmowers because I'm gonna need a good one to. Ah, they finally got some inventory. See, they got some nice bad boys. Ah, there's the Avenger. I want the Avenger, but a 54-inch. Let's see what that is. Ah, they got 2 Avengers. 60. 60, I don't want 60. 60 ZT Elite I like. 60, 60, 60, 60. I don't need 60. Ah, here we go, 54, but that's a big one. That's a Rebel. Those are like 10, 12 grand. There's a Maverick. Those are expensive too. ZT Elite is nice, but I don't want a 60. So the drag strip's right there. Go-kart track's right up here. I raced karts for years when I was young, all the way up to 17. When I met my wife, I didn't want to be gone. Didn't want to be traveling all the time. So we kind of ended it once I met my wife. I was 17 and didn't want to be gone every weekend. But that's pretty cool. Big kart track there. Okay, this is downtown Caddo Mills. I live a few miles that way on the other side of the interstate, but it's still considered Caddo Mills. They're building a new high school right down here. I'll have to find out. But one of my subscribers lived in Caddo Downs. I just turned in there and went into there a little bit. But he told me about a coffee shop slash creamery that was in Caddo Mills somewhere. So I don't know where it is, but here's the main street, so hopefully there's a donut place. I don't know if it's like here. It's a creamery slash coffee shop. I tried to eat at that Mona Lisa's Pizza once. Oh, there it is. Caddo Creamery. I gotta go check it out. I gotta check it out.